my name is Stephanie Galvez and I am an undergrad student here in the STEMI program, and today I'll be focusing on a technique commonly used in clinics called an ELISA. What does the name ELISA mean? An ELISA is an acronym for an enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay. There are many different types that can be done. For instance, there are direct, indirect, sandwich, and competitive. But the choice of choosing an ELISA is dependent on what you're trying to look for. For the ELISA that I am choosing to do today, I am focusing on the indirect one, which uses 2 antibodies. After gathering all the materials you will need for an indirect ELISA, first step will be to add 10 microliters of your sample to each well, as well as an additional 40 microliters of your carbonate buffer. With the use of the centrifuge for 1 minute at 1000 Gs, you will ensure that everything that has been placed into the plate is settled to the bottom. After the plate has been allowed to incubate overnight at 4 degrees Celsius, remove it from the fridge, remove the seal, and place it into the machine where it will be washed. After the plate has been removed from the machine that was washing it, you will add 100 microliters of the blocking buffer. After the blocking buffer has been placed, it will be placed in an incubator for 1 hour at 37 degrees. The blocking buffer will take up any spaces that were left that the sample did not take up on the bottom of the plate. After doing so, you will repeat the process of removing the seal, washing the plate, and adding more of the secondary and primary antibody, as well as substrate and sulfuric acid. As for the color change due to the addition of the substrate to our plate, we will see that it will go from a clear solution to a light blue or dark blue, depending on the concentration of the protein in our sample. Then, after we have finished incubating the plate with the substrate, we'll remove the seal and add sulfuric acid. The sulfuric acid will stop the reaction, and in doing so, there will be a color change of blue to yellow. After the acid has been added to the plate, we can now read the plate in a citation machine. The citation machine will allow us to measure the absorbency and in turn allow us to know the concentration of the samples. The higher the value, the more concentrated our sample is.